Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment 2021. So here the assistant professor vacancies from the 6 different colleges from the different departments we are going to see, guys. So here the opportunities are there for the only PG candidates and PG plus UG Senate, as well as for the PhD candidates also. Here the opportunities are there. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details and the recruitment notifications regarding the 6 colleges. Okay guys, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation, so it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so the first one we will see from the Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so here this college is inviting the applications for the librarian, and the candidate must have excellent leadership, management skills, communication skills, and while coming to the qualification, master's degree with 60% in library science or information science or documentation sciences or an equivalent professional degree, and all degrees should be full-time where applicable knowledge of database management system, website design, computer programming, and the national eligibility test qualification also conducted by the UGC and CSIR, or CSIR, or also similar test, SLET or SET. Okay, a PhD degree will be desirable. Fine. So that means PhD degree is not mandatory, but you must have the post graduation with net qualification and with this knowledge. And apart from this one, you must have the 15 years of experience also must be there. And the academic level 14 is the pay scale you are going to get, and the age limit is 55 years. Submission of application, so all the applications should be sent to the thapar.edu. Okay, and application should only be sent by email and not by the post, and the last date of submission of application form through the email is 5th July 2021. Okay, and while coming to the next college is the Vardhaman College of Engineering, guys. Okay, so from this one also, here we got the walk-in interview on 28th June 2021. Okay, so here the professor, associate, and assistant professor recruitments are there regarding the computer science and engineering, CSE, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and artificial intelligence and data science, information technology, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil, MBA, physics, chemistry, English, maths, soft skills, trainers. Okay, so here huge number of departments are there, and they're announcing the vacancies for these departments, professor, associate, as well as the assistant professor vacancies. And coming to the qualifications, experiences, and pay scales, everything as per the ACT norms, guys. So the interested candidates may send your resume to the careers@vardhaman.org, and you will be having the walk-in interview on 28th June 2021. Okay, and coming to the next college is Starex University, guys. And from this one actually we got the recruitment notification. Okay, so coming to the teaching staff, applications are invited from the prospective and the eligible candidates for a vacant post of professor, associate, and assistant professors in computer science and engineering, humanities, hotel management, commerce management, school of law, physical life, and pharmaceutical, paramedical, yoga, and agriculture sciences on the regular basis. Okay, and apart from this one, here the non-teaching staff vacancies are also there. Okay, the qualifications and experiences, everything as per the UGC and the Haryana government, guys. Okay, and the interested candidates may send your resume within 10 days to the career@starexuniversity.in or else hr@starexuniversity.com. Okay, and here the apply now is also there. That means you may send your resume to that provided mail ID, or else you may apply through the college website. So I am suggesting you to do the two things, guys. Apply through the college website and then send your resume to the provided mail ID. Okay, and while coming to the next one, it is VETIAS, okay, Institute of Arts and Science Co-ed college, guys, and it is affiliated to Bharatiya University, right? it is Erode, wanted assistant professor in the sociology. So if you are having post graduation in the sociology with UGC, NET or SET or PhD qualification is there, then you may send your resume within 10 days to the provided mail ID, that is careers@vitias.ac.in. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided, so the interested candidates may contact them, guys. Okay. And while coming to the next one is Sri Krishan Institute of Engineering and Technology from Kurukshetra. So from this one here we got this notification, guys. Okay, so I will little bit zoom this one. Yeah, so check down here. Applications are invited for the following regular post. So download the application form from the website. Here the website is also given, skiet.org. That is the website, guys. Okay, and submit the hard copy within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Okay, so principal post 1 is there, and coming to the discipline, CSC, mechanical, civil, ECE, MBA, BBA, BCA, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, engineering, environment study, and Hindi. Okay, so regarding these subjects, professor, associate, as well as assistant professor vacancies are also there, and the qualifications and the pay scales, everything as per the AICTE, KUK or the UGC norms, guys. And apart from this one, the director post is also there. Okay, one post is there, and marketing executive 4 posts are also required. Okay, so it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. So please once check out on the official website of this one. And I think for assistant professor also, this college is requiring the PhD qualification. Okay, so please once visit the official website of this one. And while coming to the next one is Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans. Okay, so from this one, here we got this notification, guys. Okay, I will just little bit zoom so that you can see clearly. Applications are invited for the appointment of assistant professors on full-time or visiting or clock hour basis for the following subjects in unaided section comprising of BCom, Accounts and Finance, BMS, TYBCom for the academic year 2021 to 22. So Bachelor of Management Studies, BMS and BCom, Accounting and Finance. Here the subjects are given: accountancy, finance, commerce, auditing, taxation, cost accounting, information technology, mathematics and statistics, business communication, management, economics and business law. Fine. And next, while coming to the TYBCom, computer system and the just wait a minute, yes. So computer system and applications, qualification required is only MSc or the MCA. Okay, so master's degree in the relevant subjects is required. Right, that means the qualifications, whatever the subjects they mentioned here, the qualification for this one is only master's degree in the relevant subject. They are not asking for the UGC NET or the CSI or NET or any other qualifications. With only PG you may apply this. And the medium of instruction is English, and 4 posts of a junior clerk to be filled in unaided section on contract basis on the consolidated pay of 14,000 rupees per month. The minimum qualification is candidate should possess degree in any department. Okay, a candidate requires computer knowledge with typing speed of 40 words per minute and Marathi 30 words per minute. Preference will be given to the candidates who are having the knowledge regarding the software as well as the hardware. And applicants are requested to send their applications with photocopies of mark sheets, caste certificate, and other testimonials to the principal, Bhavans, Hazarimal Somani College of Arts and Science, okay, and Junior College of Arts and Science, and Patel College of Commerce and Management Studies, Chowpatty, Mumbai 400007 within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Okay, so whoever the candidates having the degree with any specialization with this typing speed, you may apply for the junior clerk. And if you are having the only post graduation in these departments, then you may simply send all your relevant documents to the provided address, guys. Okay, so total these are the different colleges where the faculty vacancies recruitments are announced. Okay, so one is this one, and second one is Krishan Institute, and next one is VET IAS, next one is Starex University, next one is Vardhaman College of Engineering, and the next one is Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel. It will be helpful to me. Okay, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET. Here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.